Hello again, this video shows how I fitted these data pods to my Jeep Commander. They come on with the key and have a few screens to choose from. I bought them from AliExpress, and the link is in the description below. I bought 3, as I wanted to have 3 screens on at the same time while driving. They do come with a cigarette plug adapter if you just want to plug it in. But as I had 3, I decided to hardwire them in. I inserted the loose-ended wire connectors that they came with, and unraveled the wires. Then I cut them, ready for them to be joined together. I trimmed the ends down so that they were exposed and then joined them by twisting them together. After that, I used a soldering iron to solder them. After that, use electrical tape to secure these new wires. Then, get some additional wire, like this speaker wire, and join it to the end. This will allow you to route the wire around the dashboard and down the door seal. These little soldering connectors are fantastic. They make a great connection and weatherproof the connections. These butane-powered soldering irons are a lifesaver. They come with attachments for soldering, hot air blowing, cutting and so on. I use this all the time. It sounds like a jet engine when it starts up too, which is cool. The link to these shrink wrap connectors is also in the description. Next, I wrapped electrical tape around the speaker wire to just make it look black. Then you can place your gauges on the dashboard. Peel off the 3M tape and stick them down. Later, I actually used a glue gun to get better security. The 3M was lacking. Once you've stuck the gauges down, you can route your long wire across the dashboard. There's a convenient little rubber flap between the windscreen and the dashboard, which hides it extremely well. You're aiming to go to the fuse box under the steering wheel. So, the wire needs to be routed across the dash and then down the door seal. This is the location of the fuse box on a right-hand drive Commander. After testing with a multimeter, I found that this fuse comes on with the key. We're going to tap into that. I made a little splice cable that can go in place of the fuse. You can then remove the fuse and plug both blade connectors into the holes. A third wire pokes out and allows you to connect another wire, which in our case, will be our gauges. On our wires that come from the pods, crimp a blade connector to the positive, and a U-shaped connector to the negative. The positive obviously goes into the additional connector in the fuse box. The negative can be slotted behind any bolt that has a direct contact to the body. Luckily for us, there's one just past the fuse box. That's pretty much it. If the earth is a good connection, and the positive is a good connection, then your pods should start when the key is turned on. Close the door to the fuse box, and then insert your key for the moment of truth. That's it. I hope you found this video useful. It's a cool mod, and I like being able to see the speed and time in a more direct way. Any questions, please ask away. Thanks for watching and stay safe.